mic is charging, so got to make this a little closer. What's new? This will be the weekly What's New video. And what's new? Took a whole 5 or 6 day break from the shop. This damn cup keeps following me around everywhere. I don't know, it's just water in it this time. Somebody's got to put some coffee in this crap. So what's new? I got a project I'm working on. I'll probably pop the video up this week. I'm making a cardboard. I have a cardboard template. I'm making a piece of sheet metal for a project. Can't tell you what it is, but it's just a piece of sheet metal for somebody. Probably videotape me doing that. I have some hardware for the bench that's behind me. I got a few other new tools. I didn't get too many new vintage tools because there's, I don't know. I would say there's only so many you could possibly own, but there is no limit to how much tools you can own because I see people online with thousands of tools. So I haven't been in the garage in a while. I haven't got any black paint yet for the what do you call it? Circle cutter, which this week I'm gonna go pick some up. I forgot I was gonna get some, but my daughter was shopping with me and she was like, I want toys. So we didn't get toys. We didn't get paint. We couldn't spend more than 5 seconds in the paint section. So had a long vacation. Went to New Hampshire. Went to Santa's Village. Yep, got a little knick-knack. Wait, I'll show you. Got something fancy. Santa's Village. Check this out. I got a ring from the blacksmith shop. Anybody ever been there? Santa's Village, New Hampshire. They used to give, if I remember correctly, they didn't give these funky-looking rings. They used to give actual old nails, and I think they actually used to have a blacksmith shop there. They used to bang them all out, but now it's just probably made in China. Probably no. So that was fun. Went to New Hampshire, came back, went camping for a week. It was pretty cool. What's new in my shop and my channel? Got 630 subscribers as of this evening. I've somehow acquired 4 or 5 this weekend. Just a surprise. Thanks to all my crazy little short videos, which I'm just having fun with, putting shorts up. I also, when I record videos, I take little snippets out and just put things up there. So if you don't see the video in a while, it's just a short of me pimping out with some video that's coming up. A lot of the tool videos, I just been, as I put another video of me working stuff, I just bounce the videos further far out. So if they're not in any particular order, my eyes are freaking out right now. So I don't know why. I think it's the lights or something in here. Plus my eyelid does this weird thing every now and then, causes it to leak or whatever. So the joys of getting old. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Not much new. I got some table bench hardware, so I'm going to switch back to finishing the table bench because it's the biggest thing in here. I'm going to get some paint for the project. Next month I would like to, my plan is to buy a small induction coil, little tiny 110 volt little thing. I want to make the end different, but yeah, I want to buy one of those. I just want one. Plus I got a few bolts I'm like, I could play with a torch. I'd like to play with an induction coil. So I want to buy one of those. I've seen a few machinist tools that I would like. Not a machinist, so I don't know why I would like to upgrade some machinist tools, but, and I also found a little piece of aluminum here. I'm going to drill some holes in it and make me a collet block holder and possibly somehow affix this to my milling machine somewhere or behind it. That's our little project. Found in a scrap pile. I was like, yeah, it's a good little holder for tools. It's a nice little piece of aluminum too. It's, what is it? Alcoa TM 2024-T4 or whatever. I don't know. There's a name on here. Maybe somebody can decipher it. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Nothing too exciting. I don't work on cars, whatever. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. It's basically a tool of me. I guess I'm like a tool channel / vlog channel. I just vlog and more like a yak-a-log channel. And I just do whatever hell I feel like doing. And I'm working on a few projects and got another Wilton vise that I'm going to strip the paint off and redo because I'm not a fan of that color. Mind you, it's better than the 4 rusty ones. This Wilton vise looks like a simple tear down, wear brush, and repaint, put it back together. It's one of the few nice Wilton vices that I own. I'm also going to continue working on the other one because it's still sitting here in parts. And that's it. So thanks a lot, Tools. And yeah, I got to push the button because my fancy, what do you call it, microphone doesn't work.